So hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to make a Neptune like glitch. So what you need to do first is you just need to make you just need to select the clips and recompose them. And let me show you my wait, yeah. I just need to make a adjustment layer like this, okay? Make it to one frame because we're doing a one frame glitch. It wouldn't be like Neptune, but it would be, like a glitch. So what you need to do first is like search black and white. It's an effect. Wait, let me see my mic. Yep. Okay, and then I'm feeling uncomfortable. Yeah. Okay. So what you do now? Like glitchify, maybe. 100 speed is no. Color glitches. What do we disable it? No. Delete this. Let me try this one. I just forgot how to do it. I'm just trying. I don't know why, but this fucking shit isn't working. It worked the last time, but not now. I don't know. Wait, let me load something. Yeah, it's working. It's working. I'll give you the. I'll give you the fucking shit. The fucking preset. Okay. In the Google Drive, so you can do it from here. Okay, this is the second glitch, and next is we're gonna do another one. I'll just control delete this, delete all the effects. Okay, and just do it like find edges, invert it. You need to invert it obviously, and then you need deep glow, as you know. Then wave wrap. Just a sec. Wait, it won't work. Yeah, it will work now. Okay, now do it noise and set this to 180 because I'm doing some transitions. So make the height no 180, sorry, 180 degree. And this should be, I guess, 50 is enough. Yes, and if you want to change it, you want to change the colors, you can do it as you want. Like let me tell you. Like if you want to do it red, it will be red. Okay, but if you want to do like a rainbow, four colors, and just go four color gradient, and this is what we do. Okay, so if you want this, you can do it. Let me make another one. Let's go to animation, apply my preset. Glitch 3. Video glitch. Delete this. Yeah, you can also do half line BCC half line dots. This is, yeah, and I guess displacement map will help me. Let me see it. Yep. Is it working? It should work. I guess it should work. But bro, it's not fucking working. No. Why am I making this tutorial? I need a tutorial myself. God damn it. I guess this is enough, isn't this? It's not like Soko, but I mean, it's not like Neptune, but still, it's good enough. Wait, I have most presets. Uh, no, no, God, please now. Glitch 2. Oh yeah, this is good, this is good. Okay, you can do this. Like, you need to apply this curve effect and copy my curve. I'll give you the preset. Give you the fucking preset. Okay. Yeah. Oops. Yep. You need to just tint it to pink. You can delete this one. Okay. And maybe if you want to add glitchify, you can add it, but you need to have the plugin. Okay, this is a glitch we made, but wait a minute. You need to have something more. You need to make some transitions. Only glitches are not enough. And no, like this. Okay, you need to just keep the uh, motion bar on. Put this to this end. 540. Oh, sorry. Okay, now it's enough. You need to just drag it to here. Keyframe, I mean, and level the graph. Copy my graph. I'm not gonna give you this preset until you. I'm not gonna give you this project file until you complete. I just added more motion tile in between. Yeah, I was saying that I won't give you this project file until you complete my target. I mean 20 likes. That's never gonna complete. I know it, I know. I have total belief in my audience. Okay, this should be this here, and this is the, I guess, 960. Yep. And about this graph, you need to copy this. This is something different. You need to put it at all the limits, like this side. And now let's see the result. So this is the result we've got after wasting our precious fucking time. Okay. And if you want to make some zoom outs, you can do it like this. Make it to 300. 300. And here it's 100. Wait, what the fuck? 100, yeah, 100. And I guess it's okay now, but you need to keep the yeah, this graph, value graph, and put it to the side. Just copy mine. This is how you do it. This is how you fucking do it. Oh shit, graph is too fast. Not like this. I didn't want the graph like this maybe because you don't want it to like even you can't see the motions. Maybe this is enough. Okay. So thank you guys. I'll just share the fucking all animations. I have it here. Oh no. Yeah, I have it here. Apply animation presets and then like you can apply them. You need to have the adjustment layer earlier and then just apply this animation preset and click on any preset you have there. The file will open. I mean the bar will open. You can save it. Okay, I'll give you the Google Drive link. So that's all for today. Thanks.